Oh, dude, you are gonna love this channel. How do I know that you're gonna love this channel? Because I know that I would love this channel. I searched for this channel on YouTube and I couldn't find anything like this, so I just said, well, dude, I'll just make my own. Now, this is a channel about coding. Am I an expert in coding? No, I am not an expert in coding. But that is in fact my biggest asset for this channel, is because I am not an expert in coding. But what I am an expert in is figuring stuff out. Dude, I started figuring stuff out way back in the day. First, I figured out how to become a professional chef. I landed some jobs in some very snobby, very expensive restaurants in London, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, San Francisco, and had a lot of success, but frankly, dude, I hated being a chef. My next big figuring it out thingy was becoming a professional musician and songwriter and rock star in Poland, of all places, where I was with a band called Blenders, an awesome funk band, and we met with some pretty huge success, critically and commercially. Tons of radio airplay, TV shows, awesome huge concerts, and it was a wild and awesome ride. But it came to an end after about 10 years, and I moved on. After all that rock star stuff in Poland, I made it back to the United States, and then I figured out how to become a solo, award-winning television puppet show creator, with my work being shown in national television in Australia and still doing quite well to this day on Amazon Prime. After the puppet show gig, I decided to figure out how to become a #1 best-selling children's book author on Amazon. I came up with an idea for a series of books revolving around animals, and I did all of the graphic work myself, I did all of the typography work myself, I did all of the back-end self-publishing stuff myself, which was a learning curve in and of itself, please believe me, but met with great critical success, still selling quite well on Amazon, a great fun project to have under my belt. Over the past few years, I have figured out how to become a professional artist. I have met with surprising, wonderful success with this, honestly. I paint vibrant, impressionistic paintings. I live in Charleston, South Carolina, and I do a lot of very high-end, exclusive art shows in Florida, in South Carolina, in Georgia, and I'm in quite a few galleries. Wonderful critical success, and also just wonderful meeting the people that buy your paintings. It has been a wild, wonderful ride. I use a palette knife rather than brushes, and I'm just known for very thick texture and vibrant colors. And this is something that I'm going to be continuing to do as I'm doing coding. So I'm sure you'll see quite a bit of that in a lot of the videos. It's a huge part of my life. Wonderful, wonderful experience and a huge blessing. And dude, I don't tell you all this so I can just sit here and brag about it. I just want you to understand that once I get my mind focused on something, I do not quit until I've got it figured out. And now I'm figuring out this awesome coding, and I want to take you along with me. I want you to feel like you have got a big brother, like you've got a friend that you can turn to, and who will guide you, who's a few steps ahead of you, and can help you through this process of understanding how to learn to code. Subscribe to this channel, and we are going to go through this together. We are going to share our experiences, we're going to share our frustrations, we're going to share our awesome moments. I'm going to share with you the resources that I have found to get you through this process, and I'm going to alleviate the fear of the unknown because I'm a few steps ahead of you, and I'm going to be able to explain things to you in normal English so that you can understand some of these concepts that are coming up. And we will have fun, and you can watch my progress and you can feel like, man, I can do that too. And when you feel like you want to quit, you can come in here and I will kick your butt and you will keep going, and you can learn to code and you can change your life. And I just want to be a part of that. We will go through it together. Welcome to Coding Connections.